You can generate professional animations like this using nothing but AI prompts. You don't need After Effects or any expensive subscription. And today I'm showing you how to install text-to-video workflow on your machine for free. The video has timestamps, so if you already know some of the steps, feel free to skip ahead. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Node.js. Go to the official website and download the version for your PC, install it. This will give us access to the npm commands, which allow us to install everything that we need. Step 2. Install your coding agent. You can use tools like Claude Code or ChatGPT Codex, but since I promised a free workflow, we're going to use Gemini CLI. Navigate to your terminal or command prompt if you're on Windows and enter this command and run it. Once this is done, it means that you have installed AI coding agent on your machine. Step 3. Install Remotion. This is the library that actually generates the animations for us. Enter this command. Check that, hit approve, done. Step 4. Generate the video. Navigate to the folder where you want the project to live. Initialize your agent. Now we can create animations using only prompts. Now simply prompt your agent to create a new component. For example, generate a modern UI percentage bar that starts with 0, goes to 25%, and then slowly eases to 100%. Finish with a minimalist checkmark appearing. Because this program uses React and HTML, the output can look a little robotic or stiff if you aren't intentional with your prompts. To fix this, you need to control the assets. Let me show you how you can do this. I found this picture of a mountain on Pinterest and I wanted to animate a sun rising behind it with a very consistency appearing. I downloaded the image and then I asked ChatGPT to remove the sky background. Then I downloaded and renamed that file to be called transparent-mountain. Then I gave the coding agent a specific prompt. By providing the assets for the video to the AI, you control the video vibe much better than if you let AI decide for itself. And here's the result. That's it. You just learned a completely new skill, programmatic animation. If you want to copy the exact prompts I used today, I'll paste them in the description. I hope this was helpful. Peace.